What's up, guys? It's your boy Raja. Just doing a quick little showcase on the new fruit sound. I mean, it's alright. I mean, it's not a fruit owl main, but y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let's get it. The first move is a 3-tap move if you spam it. Oh, not me lagging, bro. Hold on, let me fix that right quick. 'Cause I don't know why it's doing that. All right, it should work now. A little better. Nope, still a little laggy. But it's a 3-part move. So it's alright, I guess. Finesso is just a pushback. That was fun. This is my favorite move. It's an AoE and it does a lot of damage. Then explosion again, so that's awesome. So Finesso. Oh, and here's the golden aura. If you get your tempo meter all the way up, it's a speed boost and a damage boost. And the last move is a giant AoE. They took a lot of work into that. And then the flight. If you hold it, it'll charge back up your tempo meter, as you can see. All in all, sound is a pretty good, solid fruit, but it's not a Logia. I think it's a Parametheus type fruit. So, it's, yeah. It is mad annoying though, if you use it right. Good damage, good combo probably, if you can think of a combo. Me, I don't really PvP that much right now, but I am gonna do more PvP videos once I get better at it. I'm trying to get superhuman and godhuman and all that good stuff. My next videos will be showcasing the new sword reworks, and if I get the mammoth fruit, y'all will be getting a full showcase of that video as well. Stay tuned and please like and subscribe. Comment down below on what type of videos y'all want to see, and if y'all want to play together, comment y'all username down below so I can add y'all. And as always, stay blessed and be fresh.